pretty. Hey you guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to the Goa vlog. So this is day one and we had to wake up at around 5 a.m. to go to the airport because our flight was at 6:30 in the morning. So we have checked in and now we are going towards the gate.
Stay on board. Thank you for your attention.
This is so pretty. Once we landed in Goa, we booked a cab and it took us around 2 to 2.5 hours to reach our Airbnb, which was in North Goa.
That my best friend, she a real bad bitch.
There is a jacuzzi. This is the pool. This is, I think, the dining area. Hey guys, so we just came to our Airbnb, which is near the Bangalore beach, and we will just freshen up and then head to some cafe or something. But right now we were very hungry, so we ordered some butter garlic squid and we're gonna have that and then change, take a shower maybe, and then head out. This Airbnb is so pretty. From here I think the beach is 20 minutes walk, and we are planning to go to Thalassa at night at about 8:30, so that is also very close, like 6 minutes walk. And we are just gonna take some rest now, eat, take a shower, change, and then head out for the night. Bye.
one of a kind was welcoming Miguel, the Prince of Flames.